Hello? Okay, I just made my fucking walls. Someone's in my house. I hear movement. I'm home alone and I hear movement. It might just be my dog outside. My dog outside, but let me make sure. I'm gonna do the dumb thing and investigate. If I hear screaming, I'm dead. So you can unsubscribe then. Why are you subscribing? I'm gonna check it out before I start on another tangent. Ow. Hello? If you're here to rob me, I have literally nothing. I give you like $5, that's it. You want some chicken fries? Some Burger King? Actually, yeah, I give you Burger King. I mean, Burger King. Who'd willingly eat Burger King? But I got some Burger King. Alright, suit yourself. Got some chicken fries downstairs, so wasn't a complete waste of time.